I'm Isaac Ronquillo, Marketing Manager for Kurt Group and ARIES. We're here in beautiful and scenic Moab, Utah for Easter Jeep Safari 2018. Behind me, I got a 2017 Jeep JK built by Bucks 4x4 in Boise, Idaho, a proud Team ARIES Pro Builder in conjunction with Rebuilding Generations. Rebuilding Generations is this really awesome organization that brings kids together with professional installers and mentors kids into the automotive industry. They do muscle cars, they do off-road vehicles. This is the second Jeep we've worked with Bucks on. Last year we did the AdventureCon Jeep for Easter Jeep Safari 2017. This year we got a whole new build that was done in 2 weeks. After hours at the shop with all the kids coming by to help with the bumpers, the fenders, the inner fender liners, and wiring up our brand new Action Track powered running boards. So on this Jeep, we've got a full complement of ARIES products. We got our Trail Crusher front bumpers, which are rated at 12,500 pound straight line pull. Warren provided the winch to go on top of that. We have our aluminum flat fenders. We have our front inner fender liners, which are also all aluminum and completely bucketed, so it keeps all the debris out from the inside of your engine compartment. We've got our Action Track running boards, which are retractable and powered running boards that offer a step within a step. Our heavy duty spare tire carriers on the back, rated for up to a 37-inch tire. Falken provided the tires on here. We got 37 1250 17s with gear alloy wheels. JKS provided the suspension. MagnaFlow provided the exhaust, so it gives you that nice deep exhaust rumble tone. As Team ARIES, we go out and we support pro builders, and we meet these builders that are the guys that build the vehicles that you see in the magazines and you see at the shows and build excitement for our industry. You know, children are the future of this industry and this business. Here we're going to be hitting the trail today with, I think, 13 kids from Rebuilding Generations that helped put this Jeep together. So not only do they see how the parts go on and how they installed and what they do, we're going to go see what you can do with them and why we do what we do, so we can go and enjoy being out here in this beautiful weather, seeing this scenery, hitting some trails, hitting some rocks, and really just having a great day with family, with friends, and just having a great time.